Bonjour Invisible Collection, welcome to my latest London project, a duplex residence at the Whiteley. The apartment that I designed here at the Whiteley is a duplex apartment overlooking Bayswater, located in the iconic Whiteley building, which was formerly a department store back in the 1900s by William Whiteley. It was at the time of Selfridges, and so it was a really iconic building that was very, very glamorous, full of Art Deco pieces. And that's what really influenced my choice of design here in this duplex. A big inspiration was I grew up down the road and I know the Whiteley extremely well. And my mother had a ceramics gallery, hence all the nod to the porcelain pieces that we have over here. We chose some beautiful pieces by French designers from the Invisible collection and also incorporated some custom joinery that I designed. The first thing I notice in any interior is the light, especially natural light. And here we just have incredible light with these 6-meter high ceilings and the iconic LED windows that lead out onto Juliet balconies. Also, just lighting that creates the atmosphere in any home. And we worked closely with the Invisible collection and Ozone to select beautiful pieces. The two incredible opera chandeliers that hang here with the nickel finish, which is a nod to the Art Deco period. And these are a custom length that we had to make just to put into proportion the magnitude of the ceiling height here. And I think they just are incredible and beautiful pieces in the room. And also the fantastic lamps here that we have. This beautiful table lamp, of which we have a pair here, by Ozone, the Furtive. And it's in this gorgeous mirror nickel finish, which I'm in love with at the moment. And it just gives such a fabulous glow, but it is just a beautiful piece in itself. I sourced most of the pieces in this room set from the Invisible collection. They're some of my favorites, and I've used them previously as well. The beautiful Eileen sofa by Charlotte Bilton. This is a custom size. We're nearly 3 meters long here because we've such scale in this apartment. The dolly armchairs, which are a big favorite of mine, and I've used them previously in projects. And then also this incredible white shadow coffee table by Maoliosa Murray. And this is very, very special because we actually had the tabletop made from onyx. So it's really, really beautiful. And then we have one of my stalwarts and favorites that I use as well, the beautiful dot tables. And this is in a glossy black lacquer. It just gives it an elegant finish. The staircase here is one of my favorite parts of the duplex. It's sort of reminiscent of a New York townhouse. And for this, I created a silk and wool ombre effect stair runner that starts on the landing in a chocolate and comes all the way down in a dégradé sort of finish into the ombre and ends up from lighter to dark tones here. We also commissioned this monolith piece by Belgian artist Jan Kool, specifically for this project. And he has another beautiful piece here, the Turon in olive, which sits really, really elegantly beside our Damien Langlois Marine Careless Whisper entry hall table. It can also be used as a small dining table as well, but I just adore the glossy black finish. I feel every room in a residence has its own personality, and we really wanted to create a cozy and warm atmosphere in here in the guest bedroom. We still have the 6-meter high ceilings, and we've anchored that with the beautiful Brasilia pendant light by Ozone from the Invisible collection. And then I added in, with RGL painting I work with on most of my projects, this bead paneling to introduce color and to anchor down the space so it didn't feel too vast. And then with our wonderful fabric partners, Dédar, we have custom beds here that were created by Savoir. And we have the beautiful and fun tiger beat fabric here from Dédar. And then it's upholstered in the Vladimir velvet on the base. And as we move over here to the windows, we have gorgeous shears from them, which are made of virgin wool by Dédar, and also beautiful wool curtains as well that were custom made for this project. Thank you, Invisible Collection, for visiting me here at the Whiteley and for another amazing collaboration together. I look forward to our new projects.